The Vels Academy as a Waldorf school is dedicated to integrating creativity into every aspect of learning, from storytelling, songs, movements, rhymes, crafts, clay modeling to cooking, nurturing holistic child development.
We recognize and celebrate each child as a unique member of society, emphasizing their individuality and importance.
Our kindergartens prioritize imaginative play, fostering creativity and a deep connection with nature.
In free play, children are encouraged to explore their identities and relationships through unstructured play, promoting the development of their will and imagination.
We prioritize hands-on experiences to nurture social, emotional, and intellectual growth.
Nature exploration is seamlessly integrated into the curriculum, promoting physical activity and curiosity about the world.
In our tech-free environment, children engage in sensory exploration and tactile experiences, supporting motor skill development, sensory control, and socialization.
So we welcome the pre-kindergarten children to a nurturing environment where every child can thrive and grow.
Hello children, we welcome you to the world of wonder and